Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I just wanted to do a quick video on how I've been doing my eyeliner lately. It's just a new technique that I think has helped my eyeliner look a lot better. But before we get into the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you try out this technique and if you think that it has helped your eyeliner as well. And also like and share this video with anyone that might need help with doing their eyeliner. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so to start off with, I'm just going to take off these lashes that I have on. If you like this look, I'll leave a link in the description box below and you can go and watch this look as well. Okay, and for the video, you're going to need, well, for my eyeliner, what I normally do, I use an angled brush like that. And also I use the Inglot, this is the AMC 77 Eye Gel Liner. So I use this one. This is a gel eyeliner. It's not liquid, it's not pencil, it is gel, and you also need a brush as well. So first of all, I'll show you on this eye how I used to do my eyeliner. Now this is more of a dramatic eyeliner look, so it's not for like an everyday, just like a little cute wing. This is more for like a dramatic eyeliner look. Okay, so that's how I used to do my eyeliner. As you can see, like there's nothing wrong with that. It still looks really nice and well put together. But I will show you. So yeah, it still looks really nice, it still looks good, but I'll show you the new technique and we'll see if there's like any difference. But I feel like there has been difference, but I've never tried it with like the old technique and the new technique, so I haven't really seen like what the difference is. So I'll show you the new technique of how I've been doing my eyeliner. Also, if you're using a gel eyeliner that's open like that, you don't want to leave it sitting open anywhere in your room because it will dry up. So when you're using it, you can just put it upside down on your table, or just put it upside down just to make sure that it's closed, there's no air going in there, so that you don't have to keep opening and closing, removing the lid. So just store it on something where it's closed and there's no air going in there so that it won't dry out. Okay, now for the new technique. So for the new technique, what I have been doing is, instead of, see how I've kind of like taken this one quite straight, straight from my eye. For the new technique, I have been doing it more on a huge angle. So I've been trying to really direct it towards my eyebrow. See where my eyebrow is here? See, this one's quite far. With this new technique, I've been really trying to really connect, well, not connect them, but direct it up towards my eyebrow. So I'll start on the outside bit. And you can see like how far I have taken that up. And then I just take my brush and I just put it like a third way down and I just drag it like that to create the wing. And then finish off doing the rest of the wing. there we have finished off the new eyeliner technique. Now I've been really enjoying this technique a lot more on both of my eyes with my makeup looks lately, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know which one you think looks nicer, which one you think looks better. I just feel like this one makes my eye look a bit more lifted and a lot more like cat eye, so I think it works a lot better with my eye shape. Obviously this won't work with everyone's eye shape, but I do encourage you just to try different placements of your eyeliner and different ways of doing your eyeliner, even different products that can make a difference in how your eyeliner goes on and what it looks like. But yeah, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've tried out this technique, if it worked for you or if it hasn't worked for you, and let me know which one you think looks better. I'm kind of looking at it on camera, it doesn't look like that much different, but in person, or maybe it's like the angle of my mirror, I don't know, but in person it looks so much more different and looks a lot better as well. Just need to darken that bit here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it as well with anyone who you think might need a little help with their eyeliner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh my god, I just did all that work and it doesn't even look that different on camera. Oh my god. You guys, honestly, in person, like, this looks so much more different. They look so different. Why does it not look that different on camera? Probably because I have hooded eyes, but I just did all that work, all that anxiety of doing eyeliner on camera for nothing. You guys, honestly, just try it. Just try it out, and let me know and thank me later. Try it out and thank me later.